Hello everyone, this is Teeny Weeny English. Today the lesson is prepositions. When we discuss on parts of speech, the topic preposition take a remarkable space in English language. Let's see what are the prepositions. Prepositions are the words which link nouns, pronouns and phrases to other words in a sentence. Simply, we'll identify when to use prepositions. We use prepositions to describe the position of something, and next we use prepositions to tell the time when something happens. And also we use prepositions to describe the way in which something is done. Here you can see a few common prepositions we use in our day-to-day life. On. The ball is on the bottle. It describes the position of the ball. It means where the ball is placed. In. The ball is in the bottle. Under. We can use under as well as the preposition below to describe this position. The ball is under the bottle. You can use the ball is below the bottle. Next to. The ball is next to the bottle. Behind. The ball is behind the bottle. Between. The ball is between the bottles. Let's see types of prepositions. As all the other word classes have different categories of their own, prepositions also can be categorized. Prepositions of time, prepositions of place and direction, preposition of agent and things, and phrasal prepositions. The first one is preposition of time. Here the prepositions of time show the relationship of time between the nouns to the other parts of a sentence. They are on, at, in, from, to, for, since, ago, before, till, until, and by. Examples: he started the concert at 10 a.m. The company called a meeting on 25th October. There is a vacation in December. He has been studying since Monday. Prepositions of place and direction. The next type of prepositions. Prepositions of place show the relationship of place between the nouns to the other parts of a sentence. I will introduce a few prepositions of place and direction: on, at, between, among, towards, behind, above, over, down, across, and there are a lot. Examples: she is at home. He moved from England. The robbers broke into the house. I swim across the river. Next one, prepositions of agents or things. Prepositions of agents or things indicate a casual relationship between nouns and other parts of the sentence. They are of, for, by, with, about. Examples: this article is about corona pandemic. Most of the students have already left. I will always be here for you. He is playing with his toys. Last category of preposition is phrasal prepositions. A phrasal preposition is not a prepositional phrase, but they are a combination of two or more words which functions as a preposition. That means in phrasal prepositions you can see more than one word, right? The first one is along with, apart from, because of, in spite of, on account of, in reference to, in addition to, by means of, according to, in front of, contrary to, in regard to, instead of, on top of, out of, with regard to. Examples. Here I have used phrasal prepositions in sentences. They along with their parents went to a temple. The phrasal preposition used here is along with. The second sentence, according to the new rules you can walk freely. Third one, in spite of being a good speaker, he was not selected. Last one, I'm going out of the region. Here you learned about prepositions and types of prepositions. So I hope this video will help you to improve your language. Thank you.